Bun is a blazing, fast, all-in-one JavaScript runtime that aims to replace Node.js, offering better performance and a more enjoyable developer experience. In this video, we're going to dive into what makes Bun special and why you should care. But let's keep it real. Bun isn't just some random JavaScript runtime, it's a game changer. Picture this: the speed and performance you've always wanted, the flexibility you've been craving, and the tools that make your life as a developer a whole lot easier. So why should you care? Because Bun is here to shake things up, to make you rethink what's possible with JavaScript, and to give you the edge you've been looking for. Now let's get into it. We all know the world of JavaScript is constantly evolving, and Bun is a testament to that evolution. But what exactly is Bun, and why should you care about it? Let's break it down. Bun is a new JavaScript runtime that aims to replace Node.js. If you're a JavaScript developer, you've probably been using Node.js for your server-side applications. It's been the go-to solution for running JavaScript outside the browser since its release in 2009. Node.js is built on top of the V8 JavaScript engine, the same engine that powers Google Chrome. While Node.js has been a reliable choice, it's not without its limitations. That's where Bun comes in. Bun is built on top of JavaScript Core, the JavaScript engine from Safari, and is implemented in the Zig programming language, known for its speed and low-level control. One of the standout features of Bun is its speed. It's designed to be a faster, leaner replacement for Node.js. In fact, Bun's startup times are up to 4 times faster than Node.js. This is because JavaScript Core, the engine behind Bun, has been optimized for faster startup times compared to V8, the engine used by Node.js. But Bun isn't just about speed, it's also about making developers' lives easier. It offers native support for both TypeScript and JSX, so you don't have to worry about additional configuration or dependencies. Plus, Bun supports both common JS and ES modules, which means you can use import and require in the same file without any hassle. Now let's talk about what's included in Bun. It's not just a runtime, it's a complete toolkit for JavaScript and TypeScript development. Bun includes a runtime environment for executing your code, a package manager for handling your dependencies, a bundler for packaging your code, and a test runner for running your tests. It's an all-in-one solution that aims to simplify your development workflow. Lightning-fast performance features. All right, let's get into the nitty-gritty. What makes Bun so special? Let's break it down, starting with the lightning-fast performance features that are turning heads in the JavaScript community. First up, let's talk about HTTP server performance. As of January 2025, Bun outperforms Node.js by a staggering 377% and Dino by 102%. That's a massive leap in speed, folks. This means your server-side applications can handle more requests per second, leading to faster response times and a smoother user experience. Next, we have file operations. Bun's native file read and write implementation is 2.86 times faster than Node.js. If you're dealing with large files or a high volume of file operations, this can be a game changer in terms of performance. Bun also comes with a built-in SQLite database. This is huge because it means you can use a relational database without having to install and configure additional drivers. Plus, Bun's SQLite implementation is high performance, making it a great choice for many applications. Now let's talk about WebSockets. Bun's native WebSocket implementation is not only faster than Node.js, but it can also handle more connections and generate more messages overall. This is crucial for real-time applications where low latency and high throughput are key. And we can't forget about Bun's package manager. It's significantly faster than NPM, Yarn, and PNPM, meaning you can install and update dependencies in a fraction of the time. This translates to faster development cycles and less time waiting for your packages to install. Built-in developer tools. But Bun isn't just about speed. It's also about making developers' lives easier. Let's dive into some of the built-in tools that make Bun a developer's dream. Bun includes a test runner that's compatible with Jest. This means you can run your existing Jest test suites on Bun without any code changes. Plus, Bun's test runner is faster than Jest, so you can run your tests in less time. Another cool feature of Bun is its JavaScript macros. These allow you to execute JavaScript functions during the bundling process, with the results inlined into the final bundle. This can be useful for injecting environment variables, generating unique identifiers, or performing other compile time computations. And let's not forget about hot reloading. Bun supports hot reloading out of the box, which means you can see changes to your code without having to restart your server. This can be a huge productivity boost when you're iterating on your code. Bun also includes a number of native APIs that make it easy to work with files, directories, and other system resources. For example, you can use bun.file to read a file into memory, or bunWrite to write a string to a file. These APIs are designed to be fast and efficient, so you can focus on building your application instead of worrying about file I/O. And if you're building a web application, Bun has you covered. It includes a built-in bundler that can handle your HTML, CSS, and JavaScript assets, as well as a development server that supports live reloading. Overall, Bun is a fast, efficient runtime that can offer significant performance advantages over Node.js in certain scenarios. However, it's important to consider the specific needs of your application when deciding whether to use Bun. So what's the verdict? Bun is a promising new JavaScript runtime that offers better performance and a more enjoyable developer experience than Node.js. With its fast startup times, native support for TypeScript and JSX, and comprehensive set of built-in tools, Bun has the potential to become a popular choice for JavaScript developers. However, it's important to note that Bun is still a relatively new project, and there may be some rough edges. The Bun team is actively working on improving compatibility with Node.js and expanding support for popular frameworks like Next.js and Remix. As Bun continues to mature, we expect to see even more features and improvements. If you're looking for a faster, more efficient runtime for your JavaScript and TypeScript projects, Bun is definitely worth checking out. It's easy to get started with, and its compatibility with existing Node.js code means you can try it out without having to rewrite your entire codebase. So why not give Bun a try and see how it can improve your development workflow? And if you want to learn more about Bun, be sure to check out the official documentation and join the Bun community. There's a lot of excitement around Bun, and we're looking forward to seeing how it evolves in the future. That's all for today's video. We hope you found this overview of Bun helpful. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos on the latest tools and technologies in web development.